are you doing today? I'm doing well. I'm here with the wig review. I know. Yeah. So, ouch. Sorry. Before we get started on that, I wanted to show you guys something. It's this. It looks like this. This is not the wig review, but this is what it looks like. It's light curls. It's called Trendy Girls in the color number 1, and it's from Free Tress. I've already tried it on. I don't like it, so one of you wants it, let me know, and it's yours. All right, so what I'm really here about is this hair. Came in just a plain bag like this. Now, I saw one of those ads on Facebook, and I've already ordered stuff from Facebook, and so I knew what was to be expected, but I wanted to see anyway, so I ordered this hair. All right, so this is what I got, which is really not that bad. I was thinking that this was actually the hair until I saw the video of the girl who was in that video I just showed you, and I should have known that they'd stolen somebody's video again. But I will see what I can do with this. I'm actually gonna cut on it and see, because this a lot of hair. Is really thick and full, and for an imitation is not that bad. So this is basically what it said on the little ticket. Can you guys see? Is it too much light? All right, so that's what it said. So I am going to put this on. Okay, so my hair is not braided down. This is what it looks like, which is not bad. Sorry. So I'm going to style this, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, here it is. I cut a lot of hair, and I couldn't really see the back, so I'm not sure what that's looking like. But if my husband will let me later on, I'll probably just put it on his head and cut it. But I think I kind of like it. It reminds me of crochet hair. It kind of reminds me of the style I had when I had crochet that time. It's full, but it's not too much for me, because I don't like a whole lot of big, full, curly hair. But anyway, let me show you the back. And like I said, I couldn't really see back there, so forgive me if it's not right. Okay, so I'm going to work on it some more, and I think I like it. So I can't say that this time it was a total fail, even though they did steal somebody else's shit. But it's a nice little duplicate. So these curls are beautiful. Really beautiful. So that's that, guys. I can't tell you the name of it because there wasn't really a name. So let's see if I can do something with the front. Because I'm not really feeling the bang too much. That's better. Okay, guys, tell me what you think. I think I like it. I do. All right, so that's that, guys. I will talk to you later. Take care. Be good. Try to be good. But if you can't be good at it. Take